Life Sciences, Paper 2 of December 2019. Question number 1. Which of the following enzymes will have higher activity in most cancer cells? Answer will be telomerase. Question number 2. Which one of the following is not considered as primary pollutant? Photochemical smog. Question number 3. Earliest immunoglobulin to be synthesized by a fetus is? Answer is IgM. Question number 4. Most of antidiuretic hormone, that is ADH, in plasma is circulated as free form. Question number 5. Urea cycle in vertebrates occurs in liver. Question number 6. Which cellular organelle is most active in apoptosis? Answer will be A. Mitochondria. Question number 7. Measured diversity of a 1 meter into 1 meter area can be referred as alpha diversity. Question number 8. Energy to drive hydrological cycle is coming from? Option B. Solar energy. Question number 9. Best practice for biodiversity conservation would be protecting the habitat. Question number 10. Protein separation in isoelectric focusing is based on? Answer will be C. pH gradient. Question number 11. BCL2, a human proto-oncogene, is located on chromosome number 18. Question number 12. Kinases and phosphatases can make a protein active or inactive through phosphorylation and dephosphorylation. Question number 13. Raising atmospheric CO2 levels comparatively favors photosynthetic activity of C3 plants only. Question number 14. Under unfavorable conditions, plants increase the production of abscisic acid and ethylene. Question number 15. Which one of the following sets of organisms are capable of synthesizing all the amino acids for protein synthesis? Answer will be plants and bacteria. Question number 16. In a polypeptide chain, which one of the following amino acids has the ability to form another covalent bond? Answer will be cysteine. Question number 17. Side chains of most of the amino acids present in a native protein are? Answer will be non-polar. Question number 18. For the development of different tissues in plant, programmed cell death is essential for? Answer will be xylem. Question number 19. Major distinction in growth and development of plants and animals is? Animals follow fixed pattern and plants follow modular pattern. Question number 20. Acetyl CoA can be produced by the breakdown of. Answer will be carbohydrates, amino acids, and fatty acids. Question number 21. Expression of characters under polygenic control are height and skin color of humans. Question number 22. Food web complexity shows maximum deviation between desert ecosystem and a tropical moist forest ecosystem. Question number 23. Which one of the following combinations of nutrients follow sedimentary pattern of biogeochemical cycling? Answer will be sulfur and phosphorus. Question number 24. Functioning of phytochrome is regulated by. Answer will be both red and far red light. Question number 25. The most appropriate reason for a species becoming as invasive in a new environment is. Answer will be there is no governing mechanism regulating the invasive species in the new environment. Question number 26. Gibberellic acid comes from the pathway of. It comes from the pathway of terpenoid biosynthesis. Question number 27. Species A produces many seeds, smaller in size, while species B produces few seeds, bigger in size. Selection method followed by species A and B is respectively. So selection method will be R and K selection respectively. For species A, R selection. For species B, K selection. Question number 28. Which one of the following statistical methods is ideal to validate experimental data of Mendel's work? Answer will be chi-square test. Question number 29. A researcher found that all the three measures of central tendency of a generated data are the same. Distribution pattern shown by the said data would be normal. Question number 30. Which of the following plant tissues show embolism when drought sets in? Answer will be xylem. Question number 31. One of these is said to be having maximum contribution towards the loss of biodiversity over terrestrial ecosystem. Answer will be habitat fragmentation. Question number 32. Ubiquitin is necessary for the degradation of protein. Question number 33. 1-to-1 relationship developed between dosage of pesticide and number of insects survived is. Answer will be negative regression. Question number 34. Which culture technique is used for the development of haploid plants? Answer is A. Anther. Question number 35. Xenobiotics are synthetic organic compounds not found in nature. Question number 36. FISH analysis, that is FISH analysis, is useful for determining the chromosomal location of a gene. Question number 37. Gap junctions are. Answer will be formed by specific hemichannels in each cell membranes of juxtaposed cells through which selected molecules get exchanged between cells. Question number 38. Protein targeting to one of the following organelles is because of TACs and TOCs associated with the organelle membranes. Once again, I am repeating, protein targeting to one of the following organelles is because of TACs and TOCs associated with the organelle membranes. Answer will be chloroplast. Question number 39. Individuals of a cohort population study belong to same year of birth. Individuals of a cohort population study belong to same year of birth. Question number 40. Which one of the following sets of transport requires energy? Answer will be active transport, endocytosis and exocytosis. Question number 41. Which one of the following pairs of molecules execute their functions by binding with cytoplasmic receptors? Answer will be question number 42. Which one of the following is a tumor suppressor gene? P53. Question number 43. The chloride shift in animal cells involves bicarbonate leaving the erythrocyte in exchange for chloride. Question number 44. Duchenne muscular dystrophy disease is an X-linked recessive. Question number 45. Alcohol intake increases frequency of urine because it inhibits release of ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone. Question number 46. Histamine is known to be released from mast cells and neurons. Question number 47. Energy movement in an ecological energy flow model is input energy is always greater than output energy. Question number 48. The most classical symptom in ataxia is failure of muscular coordination. Question number 49. High dose of atropine may cause increased heart rate. Question number 50. The molecule that has the highest rate of diffusion across a phospholipid bilayer is O2, oxygen. Friends, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe so that we get encouragement. Question number 51. In which of the following types enzyme activity decreases with increased substrate concentration? Competitive. Question number 52. Melatonin is synthesized by pinealocytes, that is option C. Pinealocytes synthesize melatonin. Question number 53. Neurons are formed from precursor cells in proneural region due to relatively low level of notch activity. Question number 54. Which one of the following sets is an odd combination? Option A, that is nucleus and plasma membrane, is an odd combination. Question number 55. Noradrenergic and dopaminergic neurons must express. Noradrenergic and dopaminergic neurons must express tyrosine hydroxylase. Question number 56. In a cell, the primary reason for transmembrane potential is differential distribution of ions across the membrane. Question number 57. In osmosis, solvent moves from hypotonic solution to hypertonic solution. Question number 58. Fireflies flash light as a signal for mating. Question number 59. Which one of the following falls under post-mating isolating mechanisms? Answer is gametic incompatibility. Question number 60. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? So answer is adaptive immune response is compromised by interactions among white blood cells. This statement is incorrect. Question number 61. A lysosomal enzyme is cathepsin is a lysosomal enzyme. Question number 62. Which one of the following is made of monolayer membrane? Answer is lysosome. Question number 63. What would you expect when a solution containing particles of similar density but varying sizes is centrifuged? Heavier particles will move more rapidly away from the center than the lighter ones. Question number 64. Which of the following set is correct in terms of concentration of urine? Option A, kangaroo rat greater than camel greater than elephant. Question number 65. A cell AQ has been mutated not to express aquaporin AQM. Both the cell types were then placed in water for about 30 minutes. Which of the following statements would be most appropriate? So the answer will be only AQ will burst. Question number 66. To achieve higher resolution in microscopy, the refractive index of the immersion oil used should be same as glass. Question number 67. Dominance hierarchy in male bighorn sheep is signaled by horns. Question number 68. Evolutionary theory suggests that principles of life are applicable to all organisms. Question number 69. Gene expression of a flower color in the F1 generation of Snapdragon is referred as neither dominant nor recessive. Question number 70. When a phage, or I must say phage, when a phage transduces a specific gene adjustment to a prophage, the method of gene transfer is, once again I am repeating the question, when a phage or phage transduces a specific gene adjustment to a prophage, the method of gene transfer is, it is restricted transduction. Question number 71. Two bacterial species are considered similar provided they exhibit 70% and above DNA reassociation, delta Tm smaller than 5 degrees Celsius, and 97% and above rRNA gene sequence homology. Question number 72. Fixation of CO2 by Kelvin's cycle uses 9 molecules of ATP and 6 molecules of NADPH. Question number 73. A marker for the inner mitochondrial membrane is succinate dehydrogenase. Question number 74. Which one of the following sets of amino acids have more propensity to attach with glycophorin to form complex oligosaccharides? Answer is serine and aspartic acid. Question number 75. Which one of the following sets does not have a single facultative anaerobe or aerobe? Which one of the following sets does not have a single facultative anaerobe or facultative aerobe? The answer is C. Bacteroides, Clostridium, Methanobacterium. Question number 76. In angiosperms, lateral roots develops from pericycle. Question number 77. Which statement about the function of the Casparian strip is correct? It regulates ion movements into the root vascular cylinder. Question number 78. In photosynthesis, the function of water is to supply electrons in the light dependent reactions. Question number 79. Shannon-Weiner index is used for the estimation of species diversity in an ecological community. Question number 18. What causes a growing green plant to bend towards the light? Oxygen accumulates on the shaded side, which causes cell elongation. Question number 81. Match the following and select the correct option of the codes given below. So here the answer will be D. Rhizopine will code for Rauwolfia serpentina. Rubber will code for Hevia brasiliensis. Bast fibers code for Crotalaria junkia. In clove, it means Syzygium aromaticum. So this is the correct match. Question number 82. Epidermal seed fibers are obtained from Gossypium species. Question number 83. Saffron is obtained from style and stigma of Crocus sativus. Question number 84. The sieve elements involved in long distance transport of sucrose possess endoplasmic reticulum, P proteins, and plastids. Question number 85. Which one of the following is involved in the lipid biosynthesis? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 86. Which one of the following statements about juvenile play behavior is incorrect? Decreases learning and skills. This is incorrect option. Question number 87. Group living behavior increases difficulty of finding mates. Question number 88. The nucleosome contains DNA coiled around the core of histones. Question number 89. Wuschel, Wuschel expression is associated with shoot apical meristem. Question number 90. What is the expected melting temperature of the following PCR primer? So primer is given here: 5' AAT CCA GGTA TT CG C GAAG 3'. So what will be the expected melting temperature? The answer is 56 degree Celsius. Question number 91. Which one of the following is a feature of mismatched DNA repair? Answer is C. The parent and daughter strands of newly replicated DNA are distinguished. Question number 92. The protein binding site on DNA can be identified by which one of the following experiments? Answer is DNA footprinting. Question number 93. DNA transposons that carry a pair of terminal repeats and a transposase gene have everything they need to promote their own transposition. These elements are called autonomous transposons. Question number 94. Which of the following histones can exist as tetramers in solution? H3H4. Question number 95. Which one of the following enzymes is used for 5' end labeling of oligonucleotide? Answer is T4 polynucleotide kinase. Question number 96. A species has been introduced in a region where abiotic conditions for supporting life are ideal. The species prefers to go for R selection. Question number 97. The type of statistical sampling to be followed in an urban area where there is enormous income parity would be stratified sampling. Question number 98. Which of the following methods should be most appropriate to quantify gene expression of an organism? Answer is real-time PCR. Question number 99. Bacterial systematics deals with study of diversity and their relationship comprising classification, nomenclature and identification. Question number 100. Last question. Which one of the following is true during HFR into F cross? Or you must say HFR F cross. Answer is frequency of recombination high and transfer of F factor low. So that's all in today's video. If you have any queries, any doubts, any suggestion or any criticism, please comment in the comment box. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share as much as possible and do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.